Hey, I'm Tracy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Auntie's Cakery. My daughter just turned 13. This year for her cake, she wanted a plain cake going from black to red. So that's what I did. But I'm going to surprise her at her party and add a few extra treats to this beauty. So stick around to the end of the video to find out what I add to make it plain to spectacular. I hope she likes it. Let's get going. So now it's time to add the candy surprise. So there it is, surprise! Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions specifically for me, I do have a link in the description box where you can ask me those questions and donate to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.